HCC workshop on coronavirus. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, fellow colleagues. I stand here to discuss briefly on health hazard in our country, Sierra Leone, and at large. We all aware of the trending deadly virus that has destroyed millions of lives all over the world. On behalf of this brief workshop, I want us to learn about the causes, preventive measures, and a cure for COVID-19. Ladies and gentlemen, Nostradamus, a popular scientist, wrote a book in 1553 explaining about an airborne virus disease that will destroy lives starting from Europe, Asia, and America, and disappear for some time, but will come back after 10 years and finally disappear. So I want to sensitize everyone as COVID-19 is real and can easily destroy millions of lives. It has done it in America, Europe, and Asia, etc. You are therefore advised to follow all preventive measures and take the vaccine to be on the safer side and enjoy the longevity of life. You are advised to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 30 seconds. Always apply hand sanitizer and avoid crowded places. Stay at home if possible in order to prevent your life and others. Be aware of the fact that life is an important gift from God, that one must take great care of it. I hereby invite questions related to my topic. You are strongly advised to follow all the teachings and sensitization you have learned from this workshop. Thank you all for your attention and audience. Stay safe, stay healthy.